What's going on, guys? So I got this OZito arc welder from Bunnings, and it is it's $145. It comes with this mask and that hammer thing, and that's it, I think. The mask doesn't seem very good, but I guess can't complain. It's got the handle here, so I guess you have to hold it at the same time. And I got these gloves here. They're about 20, I think. And electrodes, 2.6 millimeters, and $10 for 25, 10 New Zealand dollars. Pretty cheap, I think. Depends how long they last, I guess, but yeah. So yeah, just got it for a bit of fun. Just thought I'd try it out and see how hard it is. I guess it's going to be pretty hard. Got this angle iron here. Gonna clean this up. Don't think it's supposed to be rusty, or be a lot harder, I think. So clean that up. And also for safety purpose, got a fire extinguisher and a bucket of water. And yeah, I'm gonna try and film the welding, but I'm gonna use another camera just in case. I'm not really sure, but you know, just in case it can damage the lens or something like that. And so this is we hold the electrode, and then obviously squeeze that, and the clamp here you clamp to the metal that you're welding. The ground clamp, they call it. And I'm not sure if you can switch these around or not. I think you might be able to, but yeah, so be interesting to see how it goes. First time ever doing it. Don't really have a lot of knowledge, but just watch some videos online and stuff, so I'm gonna give it a crack. So probably can't see it, but I got it to spark up a bit. At first it wasn't working, but I put the clamp onto a cleaner piece of metal, and it did something, but just made a bit of a, you know, something, but I'll keep playing around with it and see what I can do. It's kind of hard to see through the mask, to see where you're actually pointing the stick, so it's kind of tough, but yeah, probably just need a better mask. Alright, so second day. Feel like I got like a few little welds here. It's kind of hard with this mask. It's very I can barely see through it, to be honest, and yeah, so I might need to get another mask, or either that or it's something I need to get used to, but I want to get another mask anyway because I have to hold this one with one hand, so it's probably a bit easier with two hands. The first day I blew the fuse in the shed, and I didn't have the electrode in properly, so I've been getting it to start, just not really getting it to weld properly, I think. Hopefully that focuses. But it's not really focusing, is it? There we go. Yeah. Kind of feel like I got a bit of a weld somewhere, but it's doing something. It's just me, I think. The amps is at 80 amps for 2.6 millimeter electrodes, and thought I got a bit of a weld, but it didn't seem to stay. I kind of scraped it off, I think. but it's starting. I don't really want to record it with my camera. I should try and get my other camera going, but just because, sure it'll be fine, but I was worried about that lens. I didn't have the electrode in. It would have been quite funny because I was thinking the part that you squeeze the electrode to put the electrode in, I was thinking that's what you did to like do the weld. But 80 amps is sparking. Maybe I need to put it up more so that it actually welds, but I'm not sure. I think it could be me not, just pulling it away too quickly or something. Not having a problem with it sticking at all, apart from like 1 or 2 times. So it hasn't been sticking, but don't know if I need to go up the amperage or whatever. Also going to try, I should have got thinner rods to be honest, but I wasn't really sure, didn't really know, but I think they'll be better because then you can do it at lower amps. And but yeah, I didn't blow a fuse in the shed today either, so that's all good. And just going to do a bit each day, keep practicing just like this at the moment, not going to try and make anything. But what you're supposed to do, I think, is kind of strike it and then hold it at a distance away from the metal. So once I get used to being able to use this mask, we'll get a new one. It's very hard to see. I cannot see like a thing looking through it at most of the time, and then after a while it kind of lightens up and I can see. But yep, that's it. There's no way I could like make something at the moment and aim it properly, but that's pretty much it.